Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rezaul, Trade Instructor, Polashipura Janata High School, Barmari, Lalitabari, Sherpur. My dear student, how is it going? I hope you are pretty good. In your prayers, I also pray to good by the grace of Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Alhamdulillah. My dear student, again, on the basis of online class, I would like to discuss about a topic of dressmaking subject of class 9. This topic is concept about count. My dear student, firstly, we have to understand what is count. Count means how thick or thin iron is. Count means how thick or thin iron is. In other words, we can say count is a numerical word which indicates the fineness or obesity of iron. My dear student, originally it is a quality. How thick or thin iron is, how to understand it is. So, it is expressed by count. How thick or thin iron is. It is expressed by count. My dear student, I hope you understand. We easily understand about count if we discussed the method of count. There are two methods of count, indirect method and direct method. My dear student, indirect method is used in the case of fiber, in the case of some specific fiber like cotton, linen, woolen, worsted, etc. On the other hand, direct method is used in the case of some specific fiber such as nylon, polyester, jute, silk, etc. And there are various systems of indirect method like English count, metric count, worsted count. On the other hand, there are various systems of direct method: text count, denier count, pound per spindle. My dear student, the feature of indirect method is the higher the iron count, the thinner the iron will be, and the lower the iron count, the thicker the iron will be. On the other hand, in direct method, the feature of direct method is the higher the iron count, the thicker the iron will be, and the lower the iron count, the thinner the iron will be. In indirect method, the higher the iron count, the thinner the iron will be, and in direct method, the higher the iron count, the thicker iron will be. Just inverse. And in indirect method, the lower the iron count, the thicker the iron will be. And in direct method, the lower the iron count, the thinner the iron will be. My dear student, I hope you understand. My dear student, we will easily understand through a question. This question is, in case of cotton fiber, suppose in case of cotton fiber, the count of iron is 40s and another count of iron is 7 fibers. The count of iron is 40 and another count of iron is 60. Then which iron will be thicker and which iron will be thinner? answer, it is cotton fiber. My dear student, cotton fiber, the count of cotton fiber is measured by indirect method. So we have to know the feature of indirect method. The higher the yarn count, the thinner the yarn will be. And the lower the yarn count, the thicker the yarn will be. So according to the feature of indirect method, 40s number is lower than 60x. So 40 is lower number. According to the feature of indirect method is the yarn will be thicker. 40s lower, the yarn will be thicker. And 60x is higher number, higher count. So the yarn will be thinner. Just according to the feature of indirect method. My dear student, I hope you understand. On the other hand, we easily understand about direct method through a question. My dear student, this question is, in case of nylon fiber, the count of a yarn is 150 and another count of a yarn is 300. Then which yarn will be thicker and which yarn will be thicker? My dear student, it is nylon fiber. Nylon fiber. The count of nylon fiber is measured by direct method. So we have to understand, we have to know the feature of direct method. The feature of direct method, the higher count, the yarn will be thicker, and the lower count, the thinner the yarn will be. According to the feature of direct method, the answer of this question is 150 is lower number. So the yarn will be thinner. 300 is higher number. So the yarn will be thicker. My dear student, just according to the feature of direct method, because nylon fiber, the count of nylon fiber is expressed by direct method. So we have to know the feature of direct method. The feature of direct method, the higher count, the yarn will be thicker. Same, the lower the yarn count, the yarn will be thicker. My dear student, so 150 is lower count, so the yarn will be thinner. 300 is higher number, higher count, so the yarn will be thicker. My dear student, I hope you understand. My dear student, we want to express the count of cotton, nylon, cotton, linen, woolen, worsted, etc. fiber. Then we have to apply any one of various system like English count, linen count, worsted count, etc. So today I would like to discuss about one system of indirect method, that is English count. On the other hand, if we want to express the count of linen, nylon, polyester, jute, silk, etc. fiber, then we have to apply any one of various system of direct method. like text count, denier count, pound per spindle. Today, I'd like to discuss about one system of grade method, that is text count. So my dear student, what is English count? The definition of English count is one counts as much as the existing hand of 840 years in length, weighing 1 pound. This is the definition of English count. What is English count? One counts as mass as the existing hand of 840 years in length, weighing 1 pound. Mathematically, count equal total length divide total weight of yarn into unit weight divide unit length. That means if we express the count of cotton, then we have to apply any one system like English count of indirect method. In English count system, unit length 840, unit weight 1 pound, and total length of yarn and total weight of yarn. This answer will be the count of cotton fiber in English count of indirect method. My dear student, I hope you understand. Same on the other hand, if we want to express the count of nylon, polyester, jute, silk, etc. fiber, then we have to apply any one of various system of grade method. Like it may be text count or denier count. Now I would like to discuss about one system of grade method, that is text count. What is text count? In text count, yarn counts as mass as the number of grams of yarn weight of 1000 meters. And mathematically, count equal total weight of yarn and total length of yarn into unit length divide unit weight. In text count of direct method, unit length 1000 meter and unit weight 1 gram and total weight and total length. The answer will be the count of nylon fiber in text count of grade method. My dear student, I hope you understand about count. No more today. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.